Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a bird box, then wrap it with aluminum. This is my first time doing it. I'm about halfway done and it's coming out pretty good, which means if I can do it, so can you. I'll show you how. The first step, we need something to nail that bird box to, so we have to install some blocking. And if you noticed, I made my blocking out of a 2x10. I ripped down about a 2.5 inch section, and in the area where the soffit is, I have the full width of the 2x10. And that provides a nice solid blocking for our bird box. Using some screws, I secured it to the wall and then through the fascia. Instead of using J channel or F channel to secure the soffit, I ripped down a 2x4 and screwed it to the wall. And as you can see, that's what I nailed the soffit onto. My nailer lines up perfectly with the nailer for the bird box. Of course, you could still use J channel or F channel, but I just have to rip down that nailer for the bird box a little bit smaller to make room for it. So we have this piece of wood marked up. This represents a rafter, and I'll show you how I found the bird box. On this side of the level, I marked 6 inches. So we'll pretend we want the bird box to be 6 inches long. So I'm gonna set this so it corresponds right at the end with our rafter. And then we're gonna set our level somewhere in there. That's pretty level-ish. So now we're gonna measure the distance from here to here. I'll call 4.5. So it'll be about 4.5 inches. So let's go cut it. Zip, zip, zip. So I cut it, again, this is 6 inches over, 4 inches up. And if we cut it correctly, when we install it, it should be nice and level. Yeah, so that's pretty darn good. Pretty good for a mock-up. Of course, if you happen to know the angle of your roof, you can just use that to cut out your little triangle piece. So once I had my piece cut, I installed it with a couple screws, and it's looking pretty good. But I had an issue. Once I installed the vinyl siding corner piece, I noticed that something didn't look right. I thought it looked better if the bird box was a little bit bigger. So I took everything apart, installed a bigger bird box, and I think it trims out nicer when it's out past that corner piece. Finally, I installed some blocking on the back side of the bird box. This will help when I install the soffit and then the rest of the trim. If you want to see how I trim this out with aluminum and how all the soffit ties together, just keep watching. This will be the next video. Hey, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See ya.